Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. Friends, due to some reason, if you want to remove a Gmail account from your Android phone, then you simply need to open your Gmail app. Now in your Gmail app, you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you will find manage accounts on this device. Press on it. Now on the screen you need to press on Google. Now here you will find all the Gmail accounts logged in on your mobile phone. So to remove any of these Gmail account, you simply need to press on it and here press on more and press on remove account. Now press on remove account again. Now you can see our Google account is removed from our Android phone. So friends, like this you can very easily remove Google account from Android phone. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.